Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, let us learn and see how to set up Android Studio from the installation and creating Android virtual device for running and debugging our feature apps. Guys, we use object-oriented programming language Java for coding Android apps. Java is a programming language that has been a lot longer than Android. It is an object-oriented language. It uses the concept of reusable programming objects. Java enables us and the Android development team to write Java code that can be structured based on real-world things. Guys, before installing Android Studio, we need to install Java Development Kit JDK. Here's the steps. First, go to command prompt and type Java C to check whether JDK is installed or not. In my system, JDK is not installed, so here is the output showing that Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or a batch file. Let us fix it. Now go to control panel and see system type. Mine is 64-bit operating system and into 64 based processor. Yes, we need to download JDK for a into 64-bit processor. Go to browser, Google search for Java JDK, and here is official link. It is provided by Oracle. Click on it. Click on download Java platform 9 for downloading JDK and accept the agreement. Search for the OS and here's the link. Click on it and download begins. After downloading, we'll get this file. Just right click on this file, give run as administrator. And here is our setup wizard which pops up. Click on next, next, and JDK starts installing. Guys, while installing Java Development Kit, it also installs Java Runtime Environment. It creates a suitable environment for a system to run Java. Click on next and installation of JRE also starts. And we have successfully completed installing JDK. Now close the setup. Open the file location where JDK is installed. It will be installed in program files, Java. In JDK folder, go to bin folder and copy the path and go to control panel. Go to advanced system settings. We should configure environment variable path. Under system variables, create a variable name Java home. Create a variable name Java home and paste the path value of a JDK what I have done and click OK. And also we need to paste the path in path variable. Copy the same, paste the same link here and come to JRE folder. In bin, also copy this path and paste it here and click OK. OK, that's it. Now come back to the command prompt and type Java C. Wonderful. We have successfully installed JDK and JRE. That's it, the process for installing JDK and JRE. Close the command prompt. Close this. Again come back to web browser. For downloading an Android Studio, just visit this link. I have provided the link in the description, and here's a button which is download Android Studio. This is the latest version for Windows, that is 3.0.1. just click on this, accept the terms and condition, download Android Studio for Windows, save files, and the downloading of the Android Studio starts. Wait for the download completion. Yes, I have downloaded the Android Studio file from the same website which I visited. Right click on it, gives run as administrator, and setup starts loading. It verifies the installer. And here is our Android Studio setup. Click on next to continue, and we need 5.1 GB of space because we need to install Android SDK and Android virtual device. I will tell you what are all these. There is a whole range of tools that are required to develop for Android. This whole suite requirement is collectively known as the Android Software Development Kit. That's what is Android SDK. Fortunately, downloading and installing a single application will give us these things all bundled together. The single application is called the Android Studio. And what is a virtual device? And what is a virtual device? Virtual device is an emulator which we use it for running and debugging our coded apps as soon as we build our project. So we need all these terms, and these all are main ones. Click on next and accept the agreement, and let it be defaults. Next and install, and the installation starts. It takes some time for this installation process, so keep calm. Although if you get bored, please don't quit. Wait for the complete installation, and the installation time also matters on your processor. If the processor is lower version, means it takes quite longer time, but the installation will complete successfully. As soon as the Android Studio installation completes, the Android SDK starts installing. It is 4653 MB. It takes some time, so wait for the Android SDK installation to complete. Guys, I'll tell you what exactly is Android. When we write Java code for our own built app, which uses the Java code for an Android application programming interface. Android application programming interface is a code that makes it really easy to do exceptional things. Then the manufacturers of the Android devices write the advanced software called drivers to ensure that the hardware, CPU, GPU, GPS, so on run properly without any bugs correctly with our built app. And after the compilation of our built Java code take place, all the files are placed and bundled together, and which are placed in a file called Android application package. That is what is a APK. For example, when we download any Android application from web, it is downloaded in the form of APK. In the installation of the application, all the files are extracted and the installation takes place. It takes some time depending on your internet speed. So I recommend to have a stable internet connection, so the process completes in a shorter duration. Let's wait until the installation take place. And here it's almost done. And now the Android SDK is extracting. And here the installation is successfully completed. Click on next. And here it is asking us to start Android Studio. Check this and click finish. Now the Android Studio is successfully installed, and SDK tools also have been installed along with the Android virtual device. Now the Android Studio will start up. Here Android Studio IDE is starting. It is powered by IntelliJ platform. And here is our welcome screen. After installing Android Studio successfully, we will get this screen. As soon as the software is open, we need to install Intel Hexhammer for running our Android virtual device. To install our Intel Hexhammer, click on configure, go to SDK manager, and here you can update and install all the Android SDK tools. As see here, these are the tools, and the checked ones are already installed, and some are partially installed, and some need update, and some have not installed at all. Just click on all and click apply, and the download will begin. After downloading, SDK tools will be updated. Now go to SDK tools, and here you can see here option Intel into 86 emulator accelerator Hexam installer 6.2.1 version is installed. In my system, it's already installed at the beginning of the Android Studio installation itself. If this is not installed, make sure that you'll install this. And if you need Google USB driver, web driver, Play services, and APK expansion library, and there are many more options, so you can check it and click on apply, where the downloading of the selected components will begin and it will be updated. That's it for this video, guys. We have learned installing JDK, Android Studio, and we have installed Intel Hexhammer, that is basic and main to run our Android virtual device. And in next video, let us see creating a new app, running it on an emulator, and we'll see some system logs. Guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share. Also like SJP United channel for ethical based tutorials. In the channel, my friend will be uploading some ethical related videos, mainly that is also tutorial videos, some unplugged songs, and cool tricks to play around web. That's it, guys. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in next videos.